In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a video, HTML5, in Dreamweaver. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean, browser-friendly video on your page and customize how it looks and behaves. First, open your page in Dreamweaver and click directly in the spot where you want the video to appear. This tells Dreamweaver exactly where to insert the element so you don't have to drag it around later. It's a good idea to keep your video files inside your site folder before you begin, so the links stay relative and everything uploads correctly when you publish. Next, go to the menu at the top. Choose Insert, then HTML, then HTML5 Video. Depending on your version, you might find it under Insert, Media, HTML5 Video. Either way, selecting HTML5 Video will drop a video placeholder onto your page, showing you roughly how it will occupy the layout. With the placeholder selected, look at the Properties panel to set the source. Click the folder icon and choose your video file, for example, video.mp4. MP4 with H.264 video and AAC audio is widely supported, so it's a strong primary choice. Try to use a web-optimized file to keep load times snappy. To maximize browser compatibility, add Alt Source 1 and Alt Source 2 if you have them. These can be WebM or OGG versions of the same clip. The browser will automatically pick the first format it can play, which helps your video work smoothly across different devices. Now customize the playback options. Turn on controls to give viewers play, pause, and volume buttons. This is usually recommended for accessibility and usability. Autoplay can start the video as soon as the page loads, but many browsers restrict autoplay with sound, so pair it with muted if you choose to autoplay. Loop will restart the video when it ends, which is great for short background clips. You can also set a poster image, which is the thumbnail shown before playback. Choose a clear, relevant still, so the video looks polished even before it starts. When you're happy with the settings, save your page. Then use File, Real-Time Preview to open it in a browser and test the video. Confirm that it loads quickly, the controls behave as expected, the poster image displays correctly, and if you added alternate sources, that playback works across different browsers. If something doesn't play, double-check the file paths and formats. That's it. You've inserted an HTML5 video in Dreamweaver, added compatible sources, and configured it for a smooth viewing experience.